Hello tech freaks. In this project, we will measure the RGB values of an image with Blynk application using RGB color module. We will use Blynk application for displaying value of RGB color module. We are using these components. First is Node MCU ESP8266 CP2102 wireless module. Node MCU USB cable, RGB color module, 830 point breadboard, and several male to female jumper wires. First of all, connect Node MCU with the 830 point breadboard. Then connect RGB module with the Node MCU module. Connect ground pin of RGB module with the ground pin of Node MCU. Now connect red pin that is mentioned as R of RGB module with D1 pin of Node MCU. Then connect green pin of RGB module with the D2 pin of Node MCU. Then connect B pin, that is blue pin of RGB color module with the D3 pin of Node MCU. As you can see, all the connections are completed. Now open the Blynk app. For downloading app, link given in description. Click on plus icon, that is add button, create new project. Name the project as RGB project. Then click on create. An authentication token has been sent to your email ID. As you can see, a mail has arrived from Blynk with an authentication token. Now copy or write this authentication token for further use and code. Click on plus icon on the upper right corner. Add the widget as zebra icon. Click on the zebra image to complete the setup. Click on R pin, that is red pin. Select digital GP5, which is D1 pin on Node MCU. Select the range 0 to 255. Click on G pin, that is green pin. Select digital pin GP4, which is D2 pin on Node MCU. Now select B pin, that is blue pin. Select the digital pin GP0, which is D3 pin on Node MCU module. Turn on send on release option. Write an interval of 100 ms for faster transmission of data. Then click OK. As you can see, the Blynk app setup is completed. In the Arduino IDE software, ESP8266 port is not inbuilt. You have to set up manually. For this, go to Files and Preferences. Open the notepad. Here you can see the URL. Copy this URL and paste it on additional board manager URL. Then click OK. Now go to Tools, then Boards, then select Board Manager and search for ESP8266 board. Install it. Again go to Tools, then Boards and select Node MCU 1.0 ESP12E module. All the settings should be same as shown. Now select the correct COM port. Now I'll explain the complete code. This is ESP8266 Wi-Fi library that is already installed after downloading the ESP8266 board. Another one is Blynk ESP8266 library that you can download from GitHub. Steps to download it. Here you can see the link to download Blynk library. Click on clone or download. For downloading libraries, link given in description. To include the libraries, go to Sketch, then include library. Select the folder where you saved the file, then add the zip folder. Now we will paste the authentication code. Authentication code should be same for the project you have added on Blynk. As you can see, I've saved the authentication code on Notepad. This is the authentication code. To get the authentication code, create project on Blynk. You will get the code on your registered email ID. Now copy this authentication code and paste it here. Now enter the correct Wi-Fi name and the password of the Wi-Fi. Now upload the code, and the coding link is given in the description. As you can see, the code is uploaded completely, and the LED will blink until the code is uploaded. Now open the Blynk app, click on play or upload button on the upper right corner. Check the status of the device, whether it is connected or not, by click on the status button. As you can see, the device is already connected. Now drag the pointer on the different colors of the zebra image and you will see the same color on the RGB module.